Hello, and thank you for clicking on how to submit a work order. Option number 1, online maintenance request. Visit rentcafe.com and click on Login, then select Resident Login. Your screen should then look like the image to the right. Please enter your login info. Select Maintenance Request. After logging in, you will click on the Maintenance Request tab on the upper left corner of the page. Submit information. Please fill out the form and be as specific as possible about the maintenance needed. Please include details for a maintenance worker to be able to find the location of the issue easily, in case you are not at your unit when they arrive. Option number 2, call Greystar maintenance number. Make sure to include your name, the maintenance issue, and your unit number. Thank you for checking out how to submit a work order.